Hey, welcome back, everyone. Again, my name is Drago, and I'm a machine learning expert here at Rambler. And on today's video, I wanted to show you all our visualization tool. So, how do we go about, looking at videos and looking at our annotations? So, we start here in our demo environment first screen, right, which we showed in previous videos. And what you want to do is go to the datasets tab and just we're gonna go into this video. So if you click there, you'll see a screen like this where you have the video. And again, there's a lot going on here, but let me help you parse it out a bit. So the video controls are right down here. This is fairly straightforward video player controls. So again, you have a play, pause, stop, right? You can just look at the video. You can click on a particular frame that you want to see. You can select resolutions, playback speeds, etc. Also, any video information you'll see up here. If you expand this little side panel, you have the name of the video, dates and times, resolutions, etc. But again, we're not here to watch video. We're here to look at our data, right? So what you can do is here, select annotation set. You can select a particular set. And lo and behold, here are all of our annotations. So you'll see there's a lot going on in the image. We have a lot of annotations here that, of course, run through multiple frames. You'll see if you hover over them, you can highlight them so that, again, you get a better look. You'll see we have masks, which are colored on top of the different objects. We have bounding boxes around them, and we also have labels, right? You can toggle each one of these layers separately, so we can hide the masks, we can hide the bounding boxes, we can hide the labels, um, or we can even hide the video, actually. Okay. Now, this is just on any given frame, but we are definitely interested in what happens across frames, right? We're looking at video. And to do this, we have these feature buttons down here. Today, we're going to look at the object feature. And what you can see here is that the timeline is now also enriched with the presence and absence of all the objects that are annotated in this particular version, right? So we can go here and we can see that the right hand that has this object ID is in this frame, but it's not on this other frame, right? We can also hide things, right, from the annotation so that we can, again, take a closer look. And if we want to look at information about the annotation, we can go to this other side panel. And here you see all the metadata about the annotation, when it was created, the number of categories, the number of frames, and also some statistics that we're going to be looking at in more detail in future videos. And yeah, that's pretty much our visualization tool. So again, first of all, thanks so much for stopping by. Keep an eye out for our future videos. And do get a hold of us if you have any questions, you want to maybe look at your own data in our platform. Just go to Ramblr.ai and we have a contact form right there. And yeah, so until next time.